Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Friends, this is Shajidul Islam and you are watching my YouTube channel Choice for English. Friends, I hope and believe and pray to Almighty Allah that you are all well. Alhamdulillah, I am also well by the grace of Allah. Friends, you have already understand to see the thumbnail, what is the topics of our discussion today. Friends, before going to the main topics, I will share you the importance of learning English. Friends, I have told once again my previous videos that English is now the most demandable and richest language around the globe, because if we look to the first world country, then we will very easily understand that the technology, science, psychology, philosophy, environment, economics, all the subjects are written in English. And the English language people are dominant to the world. It is also a great fact. I'm giving some example. If we buy a phrase, a mobile, a laptop, computer, etc., then we will see that all the functions are written in English. We will not find a single word in Bengali language. What is the reason? The reason is that those kinds of technology are invented in English people. Clear? So the demand of English is increasing day by day, what I told you my previous videos. And in the competition world, the world is now like a village, because we can contact to the remote place around the globe within short time, 1 or 2 minutes or few minutes. In this competition world, English is now a one language and a unique language around the globe to communicate to any people, any linguistic people around the globe. That's the reason every country's government and non-government organizations and individual people are being enthusiastic to learn English language, because especially the talented, intelligent and active people already know the importance of this language. That's the reason they are trying to train themselves and their children so that they can speak English like a foreign. Clear? And the competition now is not remained in a country, because by the blessing of science and technology, the competition is now, that means we have to compete with the world, because to switch one mobile we can already, we're getting news, the present condition, the present news around the globe, and by clicking on internet we can contact to one country to another. That reason, the competition is increasing day by day, especially in English language. If we look to the foreign countries, they are giving the advertisement, and millions of people around the globe who are doing job sitting their home by internet. I'm giving an example. Says you need to open your website. You have given an advertisement to create a website, and after opening internet I have got your advertisement. Then I accept your advertisement and I replied that, dear sir, I'm a web designer and I can make your website very well, and I showed my previous sample of my experience. Then after bargaining, we have fixed our demand. That means I'm prepared to create the website. However, how I have got this information? I have got this information by the blessing of internet, that means technology, science and technology. So he is sitting in America and I'm in Bangladesh. So I have got this information, this advertisement by the internet. Okay, so I'm being able to contact to get the information by the internet. Okay, so this is the great fact that I'm earning. That means I have earned by creating a standard website, and after creating it I delivered my work, then he paid his amount. So when I bargaining to create the website, then I have to talk in English, the people of America. If I don't, or if I didn't know this language, I could not contact or I could not talk to him. I have been able to talk to him in English because I have the minimum ability to speak English. There are many examples that I can give you. However, friends, so the importance of learning English is immense. Thus, the cadet college, especially who are thinking to be army officer, he must have a standard ability to speak English very well. I am trying to make my children to be an army officer, but he doesn't know how to speak English, and I am also. He will not be qualified. If I want to make my child as an army officer, I have to uh, make a standard English environment from my house. Okay, so there are many cadet colleges, that means cadet prepared academy, who are thinking to make their children in to improve their English speaking skillness. But it's a very matter of sorrow that though we are trying to make our students, our children, our teachers to so that they can speak at standard English, but because of our lacking of practice in our real life, we cannot get a standard candidates who can train our students and children. That's the reason I'm requesting, telling all of you that actually English language like our mother tongue. If anybody wants to learn this language, he must be mentally prepared and determined to learn it in a real life. When I start or practicing, I will face some problems because it's not our mother tongue. I am talking to you English. If I want, I can speak you very fast. Why I am talking to you in a medium level? Because the reason of my talking to you in a medium level, that so that you can understand my language. And there is another causes that if I, as I am talking to you in English language, when you watch my video, that means who knows me, when my knowledgeable person, my introduced person watch my video, they will also be encouraged that Sajidul Islam is trying to speaking in English, making YouTube video. So you also will be encouraged to watch my video that if I try, I can also speak like him. Though I am not a standard speaker, I make many mistakes because I think that by making mistakes, that means through making mistakes, my speaking fluency will be improved. But if I stop my speaking will not be improved at all. That's the reason to create the video in English language. And I believe that you have the talented personality, you are intelligent, meritorious, and most expert person, but we have to create a standard environment from a zero level. And I can assure that if we can, that means if we are able to create an environment to speak English language in our school, university, college, family, road, tea stall, etc. Then our children, our students, our teachers, businessmen, farmers, all the people, that means from all the people from many sectors will be encouraged and will be enthusiastic. Simultaneously, they will be able, interested, encouraged to speak English very easily, and they will accept, and it would be set in our mind that actually it is not a difficult language, it is just a language like our mother tongue. So I'm requesting all the teachers, all the founders of the university, private university, college, and I'm requesting the government, non-government organization, especially our Prime Minister of our country and the ministers of our country to create an environment who has the minimum ability to speak English. And at the same way, I am declaring all of you, that means I am declaring all the educated people, highly educated people of our country. You have to make an environment in our country if we want to develop our nation and our country like the first world country. Though our economy is increasing day by day, but if every individual can develop himself through learning speaking English and technology, then our society will be improved. If I can improve myself in English speaking and science and technology, our society will not be improved. That is the reason we have to create an environment in our educational institutions. So every highly educated personality, I'm requesting all of you, please, you have the ability, you have the power, you have the economics power to create an environment to encourage our nation. Just we have create a we have create a positive attitudes and positive mentality, then our nation will be improved. Actually, our mentality has been like uh, individual thinking. That means we always think just to improve myself. Though I'm thinking to improve myself, actually I cannot also be able to improve, because we have the negative sense that if I see to improve anybody, then I try to down him, because I cannot be able to improve. So I'm also not don't like I also don't like to improve any people. So this is the great fact of our narrow-minded. If we look to the uh, first world country, Western country, then though they have the cultural problem, that means we have the clashes, the culture between the Western and our and we, but they are the broad-minded person, and they always try to improve. Not only they think individual, but they think to improve their nation, their country. That this is the great fact, to improve themselves. So we have also think that if I want to improve myself, I have to think to my family. When I think to think about my family, my neighbor will also be improved. What I told my yesterday video. Hi, my friend. So I am a I'm a non-educated person. Actually, I have no knowledge to say you. This is my personal opinion, my feelings, what I think when I sit alone. Just I shared my opinion. It is your personal matter to accept or not. But I'm requesting all of you that if you think that my opinion is helpful for the nation, I'm requesting to think like than me. Because if any individual, if every individual try to think to improve our nation, within very short time, our society, our country, our nation will be improved. But without improvement, English, science and technology, our society, our country will not be improved. That means it is impossible. So to start, that means to initiate those kinds of uh, environment, we have to try to improve ourselves first. That means we have to change our mental attitude. Because, as I'm giving an example. I have learned from a book of Stephen Covey. He told his book that he has analyzed over 200 years literature, that he told that just only 50 years from to 50 years literature, he told that the people of the world just think to improve, to see the society. That means my neighbor's child has made a bright result. I also pressure my child to make bright result like my neighbor. But I don't. That means we always try to concentrate on the bright result. We don't think to improve our children their character ethic. That means, thus, I have made a bright result and I have completed my graduation. There are many educated personality, individual man in our country who has completed the graduation. But thus, if you ask me that what is your qualification, then I will tell that I have completed my graduation in English, mathematics, science, etc. But if you ask me the definition of science, the definition of mathematics, the definition of English, I will not be able to say it. What is the reason? Actually, we have concentrated, that means we have been concentrating on the result. We are not trying to improve ourselves. That means we are not trying to improve our mental attitude, our character ethic. This is the reason to destroy our life. So, the writer told that we have to train ourselves to think that 20 years later, that means how the world will be changed after 20 years. We have to train ourselves to look after 20 years. That means we have to train those we have to acquire knowledge so that after 20 years we can compete very easily. That means the day more will change, the society more competition will be changed to follow this changing. Okay, if the nation of our country try to we tell to compete with the Western people, will not be able to compete a minimum. That means we have not minimum knowledge to compete with them. What is the reason? We have not any kind of ability. We must have the ability. Actually, we have the problem that we always spend our time just to gossiping. We don't know the value of time. I told you my previous videos that actually time is not money. Time is much more than money. Every single second of time, we have the minimum ability to utilize it, because the more we are spending our time just to gossiping, sleeping, the more we are remain far away to compete with the foreigners. So if we want to improve, develop our nation, our country, we have to improve ourselves through individual, to create a mental and positive attitude. It is not possible. That is, it is impossible to train by the government if we are not mentally prepared to train myself. However, friends, I have told too much. I beg your pardon if I make mistake, and I am also requesting all of you, if my video is beneficial, that means if you think that I have told some positive words, I'm requesting all of you to like, share, and make several valuable comments so that I can be encouraged to make video in future. Your constructive, positive, and any negative comments will be cordially welcomed by me, because you may don't like my space. I will not be disheartened if you make any negative comments, because you have the freedom to make any comments, and your negative, positive comments will be encourage me, because I know where I'm making a mistake. Clear? When you point out to watch my video that I mistake there where etc., then I will be able to correct myself. That's the reason I'm requesting to you to make your constructive, positive, and negative comments, because it will be helpful for me to train myself, and wishing your healthy and comfortable life. Thank you, and see you soon with a new video tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.